Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this cover, microfiber steering wheel staff by COFIT. This is steering wheel cover, anti-slip design, steering wheel cover for universal fit. The car accessories for interior, for cars, for SUVs and trucks, with a diameter of 37 up to 38 centimeter. You're ready for that in black and gray, or in black. The high quality microfiber suit here. This car steering wheel protective cover is made of microfiber suited and resistant to lint information and pelling. The soft handle is ideal for everyday use, and it's also perfect for covering old worn original steering wheels. We have a universal fit for 14.5 up to 15 inches round steering wheels. That's suitable for the most cars, SUVs, and trucks out there. This gives the interior a clean, classic look and protects it against wear. Over time, some dust can accumulate on the steering wheel cover. Equipped with a damp cloth or a lint roller makes it look like new again. And with a comfortable grip for all seasons, because the soft surface of the steering wheel cover reduces the hand fatigue and provides additional comfort on long journeys. Breathable and sweat absorbing. This is suited for summer and winter time. And we have an anti-slip rubber lining. The structured rubber layers keeps the steering wheel's cover thinly secure in place. No slipping or deformation, for a stable hold and a good voyage. And easy assemble. The tight design requires some pressure while attaching. We pull up from the top to the bottom. No tools are required. To make it easier, we can heat up slightly with a hairdryer before. And to remove, we make this in the other direction, and it is removed if it is necessary. This all and more brings us the COFIT steering wheel cover out of microfiber suit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.